Alright, welcome back to Billy Apple Tree Plumbing. Most definitely we are in the laundry room and we are snaking out the line for the wash machine. Most definitely it's full of lint and all that. I mean, we've been pulling a lot of lint out of this tube here, so we've been cleaning that up. We've been down here for about 30 minutes, so we're gonna finish. We ran water from the sink from upstairs, and we're gonna finish running the snake through the pipe here, and most definitely we're about maybe 5-7 feet in. So here, let me get my other glove here. Most definitely I recommend low speed. Don't use high speed if you're using a power drill. Oh yes. Going to pull it out. Most definitely you can see the cable is really nasty. Clean that up while we pull the back in here. Look at this. I've been pulling stuff out of here for a good while here. And most definitely if you don't use a catcher to catch the lint, what they usually call them, then you making an obstruction in your line. So we're gonna run this a little bit. I'm just gonna let it flow around a little bit there. And be pulling. I'm about to go up here to the kitchen sink. And oh yeah, look at all that nasty crap. I'm gonna get some more paper towels. And most definitely when you run your wash machine, if you got it running in a tub, most definitely the water is running down real slow or it back up. I got a mask on because you can most definitely smell the sewer line because we don't have a P-valve connected to it. We took it off here. Let's see, where is it? Oh. Most definitely if you're a plumber, you've been plumbing for many years, over 20 years. 20 years of experience. So we took the P-valve off, took the water out, and most definitely this fits on this valve here. Most definitely you don't want to snake through the P-valve, as you see here. Trying to hold it up with one hand and make sure I don't drop my gloves or a mask in the nasty water down here. The camera can't see that. I got the camera sitting on a little towel here so it don't get wet neither. Most definitely the PVC pipe is full of lot of lint, a lot of crap. Let's go and get more paper towel. I'm gonna run the water from the sink, and most definitely it always runs down this pipe into the P trap. And if I don't have the sink connected to the top valve of the P valve, it just runs over onto the floor into the sewer line. So I'll be right back And I'm gonna go and run the water in the kitchen sink. And I'm running hot water. So I'll be back, and after that, I'm gonna spin the snake in there a little bit and run the water. Let that run a little while. Most definitely, there is a sink that connects to this main valve, and most definitely we can run the water through that. We'll connect back up. We'll connect the sink back up to the line, and then run hot water through there. But most definitely we got to take the snake out, and I think we're about almost 10 feet in, 10, 11, 12 feet in. Let it spin around a little bit, jerk it back, let it spin back in and back and forth. Pulled lots and lots of lint out of the valve. So we're good on that, all that, and I'm gonna run that water, and that's about it. And check us in the next video. Peace.